Okay, so today we're going to now move on to the next color, and that is going to be the green colors. And we're going to use the protective green, which we tested out before. Now, when I tested it, I just used a regular piece of cardboard and apply it onto it, but nothing replaces a good, spraying. So we're going to start doing a few here and there and see how it looks. We're going to begin with something a little bit bigger here, so it's easy for you guys to see the shield. I've lowered the PSIs down to like 10 PSIs, and I'm just going to do like light passes in, concentrated areas. But this one is going to be big because it's here, and then here. Alright, now we're just going to give it an overall pass. Go inside a bit. And there we go. That looks nice. A little darkness here and there wouldn't hurt, but that's fine. So that's good. Let's try something else. The arm. So I did a bit of concentrated areas where I sprayed the inside in areas where, the green is, but the edges, I leave them alone. And I'm just going to do one pass like this, and then I'll do an overall pass like I did with the shield. Let's get the light here, but so you guys can see better. Let's see how the shield this shoulder armor come out. Just going to concentrate in the middle. The insides a bit, which of course I'm going to do the same thing, but for these I gotta switch the clip to the other side, because obviously the other side is being covered up by the clip, and it may show through the paint, through the assembly, maybe not, I don't know yet, but we'll do that right now. We'll do that during the course of this painting job. Alright, so paint the inside of this. That's good. So that's a light pass first. You know what? I don't know if you guys are seeing this properly, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. There we go. And then I'll do the overall later on as it dries. There. Here, I'll do the thigh on it. good, obviously. Second layer will be later. Let's do the waist. This one I gotta do like in the areas where there's flat surface. See? Let's do these guys. Okay, these are the hands. There we go. Put that to the side. Alright, so we're going to continue on with the other parts. There's a lot here. You all know there's pretty much have to do everything by threes. And then once I'm done, we'll move on to the next color. See if we can get this guy done maybe today. Maybe. So I was going to move on to the next color, and that was this color, dull green. And I was actually preparing to bail on this color and use something else, because when I did the color matching setup in the first part of the second part of the video, showing off what it was like, it was just basically me putting little drops of paint on the piece of cardboard and showing it off, saying, oh, okay, this looks good, or maybe not. And I know that's not a good test. That's not a good test. A real test would be to spray paint it on spoons. So I did that, and here is what, of course, what the dull green looks like, which is very nice. This is not thin, by the way. And here is the protective green that I just applied on to the other parts. A definite noticeable difference. So I am confident on using this paint. Let's try it out. We'll try on the little balls here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a light pass over it from a distance. One thing about this is with this, it can retain the pre-shading that I applied on. That's good. Some parts, of course, I don't have to worry about pre-shading. It's just I'm going to paint it all in all, like the knee area. but this one, maybe I should have painted it the other color. I'm now considering maybe doing that. Of course, you have the armored parts of the feet. I'm just going to do a light coat like that. Let's get a foot here. We definitely got to do the hands, of course. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. We're pretty much covered up everything, because everything else is the ball, the foot, which came off right now. I got to put it back on the clips. Back, and then of course the fists. Now, once I'm done with this, I'm going to move on painting the remaining colors, which basically is going to be the red for the red plate on the neck, on the head, the clear part, painting it yellow. You don't need to see me do that. Then I'm going to touch up a few more parts that I may have missed. I make sure that I'm accountable on all the parts so I don't lose anything. And then I'm going to top coat it and then protect it so we can see what the kit looks like. So let me finish this up, and of course the next video will be showing off all these parts. So let me finish this up.